Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the device so the app can actually control taps. First, confirm your Android or iOS version supports the auto clicker and check permission requirements. Once done, download the official auto clicker app and note its version because updates change behavior. Make sure to enable accessibility or screen recording permission immediately. This lets the app simulate taps. You'll also allow overlay or floating button access so controls appear over other apps. Do this now before proceeding. You now construct the click pattern you need. Begin by choosing tap points. Use the on-screen picker or enter exact coordinates X, Y for pixel-perfect accuracy. Next, set the click interval in milliseconds and decide whether to enable randomize to avoid detection, specify repeat count or continuous mode. If you need a sequence, add multiple points to the schedule and arrange order. Once configured, preview with a short test of 5 to 10 clicks, so you can observe timing and adjust without disrupting your target app. You're ready to run and finalize the workflow. Tap the floating Start button to begin and watch the overlay to confirm clicks land where expected. Once satisfied, save the setup as a preset so you can reuse it later and export or import presets if the app supports that. If something goes wrong, stop immediately. Recheck accessibility and overlay permissions, lower click speed to prevent missed inputs, and recalibrate coordinates. Sometimes a half-second change fixes it. Keep one troubleshooting step in mind. Toggling permissions often resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.